This is serious, guys. Everybody's panicking here in Australia. We're running out of toilet paper. And this is not a joke. Yeah, toilet paper is really vital to your day-to-day life. And I've found a solution. Yes, I've found a way around it. That way you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to think about toilet paper again. But before that, this is gonna be a bit not for the faint of heart. So you can stop now and look for other videos. I'm gonna give you 3 seconds. Okay, let's go. So yeah, in order for you to go on with life without toilet paper, I have this life hack that you can do. Look for pieces of paper at home, and I found this old receipt. I can use it. And yeah, if there's not much paper around everywhere, you have to save. So what you're going to do first is you're going to try to get a small piece like this. Cut it this way. So this is the ideal piece. Okay. Then what you're going to do is you're going to fold it two times. 1, 2. That's it. So you're gonna take off this part here where all of the sides connect. Take that part, and you have this. You keep this small part. This one here, keep it somewhere. This part of the paper, you open it up. Put your finger on it and start cleaning what needs to be cleaned. Yes. And when you're done, you have to be clean. You have to be sanitary. So you do this. Yeah. And since you have that small piece of paper, you can roll that to something sharp and then use it to clean your fingers. Life hack. You're welcome.